we have a very tight timeline. My in-laws are gone for 1 week, and I only have this weekend to dig this whole thing and build it from scratch to finish. So we want to make sure that this looks incredible and that they're fully surprised when they wake up in the morning and see their brand new ecosystem pond. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I've decided that my gift to my mother-in-law is going to be a little pond. So we've got the trailer and the truck all loaded up. I just have to cover this guy and we're good to go. Going all the way to Waterloo to build them their dream pond. Come on with me and enjoy the ride. So I'm here in my in-laws' backyard, and the whole reason why I wanted to build this pond for my mother-in-law was the fact that she has hated this corner for the entire time I've known her, which is going on 12 years. So back maybe 10 years ago, I suggested that we build a pond, and they said, we'll be moving by then, there's no point. Fast forward 10 more years, they have not moved and have no plans to move. So I decided to bite the bullet for them and make sure that they got the pond of their dreams just in time for a surprise as they came back from Mexico. Okay, we got our hole dug, our biofalls set, our skimmer set. All we have to do is finish trenching that. Let's get our underlayment in and then our liner in, and then we can start rocking this guy. Okay, we got the liner in, underlayment for this section, going in. So this is not a sponsored video, but I want to put in a plug for our own company as we build these projects. This is obviously what pays the bills. And so if I could just encourage you to go to our website linked here and make sure to sign up for our newsletter and stay up to date on all the incredible projects from ponds to waterfalls, grottos, and more as we're building everywhere and everything you could possibly imagine. It's one not to miss. Okay, check in on my mother-in-law's Mother's Day present. We have rinsed a little bit down. I have about 2/3 of the rock in. I'm going to take apart and re-put back together that retaining wall. I still need some more soil up there, but I am waiting until I get to the waterfall. This is almost like a beach walk-in for the chickens and kids so that they can come down and step in. We have to edge everything, of course, still. And yes, I have about 1,000 more boulders for the actual pond, another wheelbarrow full of soil over there, and then I get to work on the waterfall. And I'm hoping I'm actually going to remove a little bit over here so it falls over the edge there. And then we have one stream to come off over on this side, and then a split stream or a normal like horsetail coming on this side. Okay, so day 2 on my Mother's Day gift. It is Mother's Day. Thankfully, they're away, so I still have all of today to finish this. I don't believe that I'll need all of today, as I've already filled it out. Everything seems good to go. I do have a few rocks left to put in for the waterfall, seal up the valley falls, and then spread some more soil, and I think I'll get some mulch. I also have a little bit more soil to pile around the skimmer, and then a little bit more stone to put in. We're going to add rapid clear. That will help make sure that this thing is looking clean and crystal clear by the time I go. Test number 1. Okay. Waterfall sounds fantastic. And now I just have some adjustments to make so we can get a little bit more off of that and a little bit more over here. Aquatic plants really help bring a pond together. So we made sure to stop by our local pond shop, get some aquatic plants, put those in to make sure that this thing looked perfect. And we wanted to make sure that there is plenty of space and room for the fish, which is why we only got 4 shabunkin. They are beautiful, beautiful fish. They have a lot of color, beautiful fancy tails, and couldn't help myself. Gonna get this lily inside this pond with a beautiful flower. Okay, we have our water louse and our water hyacinths in. And our lights are on, our plants are in, our waterfall is running. We literally just need a little bit of soil there and get rid of the rest of that, spread it around, and that's a wrap. Okay, Ursula, you have told me many times that you're done with that ring of white stone and how you have to clean it up every single year. I've talked to you about this a dozen times, at least, but you've always told me you're moving. Instead, I've decided to go ahead and pull the trigger for you and wish you a happy Mother's Day with your new water feature. Obviously, this will clear up by the time you get home from Mexico. It should be in perfect condition, and of course there'll be a lid on there by that time too. I'll give you a little tour. We have water lettuce and water hyacinths in the top and around the edge. We have a beautiful lily just for you. That's my Mother's Day flower for you. We have 4 fish, which are shabunkins, that you can let the grandchildren name, of course. You have a small biofalls at the top, which is its main filtration along with the plants. And then you have this small but relaxing waterfall. I had a blast building this. It was so much fun to get to be creative and do it for somebody that truly matters to me. But the most important part is to find out what my mother-in-law thinks. So let's check out her reaction right now.
No strasznie ładnie się zazieleniło. No idź, idź, idź.
O rany boskie. O rany boskie.
Co to jest?
A tyś wiedziała?
A skąd?
O rany boskie.
Jak wyszłam rano, to się
To mój
rozpłakałam.
dream. To mój dream.
Kto to zrobił? Kiedy
O,
to
ludzie
zrobił?
kochani.
O matko jedyna.
I ryby są.
Tak?
Ale jaja.
Co
Ale
to
jaja.
wszystko? Kto to? Kiedy to zrobił? Boże, te dzieci
I
zamiast...
tu ci przełożyli tę fontannę.
No pięknie.
Pięknie, ale ślicznie.
Jeszcze...
O Jezus Maria.
Kiedy to się stało? Co to się stało?
Tam widzisz tuszy nawet posadzone, widzisz?
No widzę wszystko.
O ludzie kochani.
Ja nawet nie wiem, co powiedzieć.
Muszę tu okopać ładnie, wiesz?
O,
So as you saw, I had a blast. A big shout out to Alican for helping me out on this one. It was a lot of earth moved for such a small pond, but we were able to do it. We were able to do it in time. My mother-in-law was absolutely shocked, as you saw from the video. My father-in-law also very shocked. So make sure to drop a comment below on what you think of this video. and 100% be sure to hit the like and subscribe. 95% of those of you that are watching these videos are not subscribed. Please change that. We greatly appreciate it. We're going to keep building crazier and crazier things, better and better at this content game, and I hope you enjoy and follow for the ride.